Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is June 29. The time is around 1 a.m. GMT, and today we're going to be looking at the chart of the Dow. This is Dow Futures 45 minutes. We can see right here we ended with 4 in the primary degree, and then from here we have started with 5 to the upside in the primary degree, and with 5 is subdivided into another 5 waves in the minor degree here, and this is with 1 ended here, so we can see right here 1 2 3 4 5 ended 1. Now looking for a zigzag pullback in which we ended the first leg A, and then we should be looking for B and C to finish this wave 2 here before the index continues higher again. Okay, so you can see the count looks like we can count it as a 5 waves here, and so this is going to be the pivot, the bullish pivot on June 21st. As long as we stay above 32,891, we could see for the upside. As to how big the pullback will be, now as always you need to see the first and the second leg fully formed before you can measure the extension for the C leg. Typically 6xc is going to be between the 100% and 161.8% of the A. Okay, and for now we only can just estimate where it is, but without any clear area yet, because we still do not know where the B is going to be ending. Okay, now so I think the idea is that as long as we stay above 3281, then we could see at least another push higher that is going to break above this one right here. So let's zoom out and see a couple of alternates and also possible other path here for the Dow. So this is the 4-hour chart. So I'm just adding here the same count. C4 here is here, and then this is the one in red over here. So from this 4-hour chart here, we can conclude this has to be our 3 here. Right, and this has to be our ABC here. Okay, so now that means we are now within the wave 5, and if it is correct, then again it should continue to go up in the 5 waves to break above this eventually, right? Now let's zoom out again to the daily. Alright, so let's take a look here on the daily. We're still within the cycle from March 2020, the COVID-19 low here. So we can see right here, this is 3 and 4. Look at the distribution of the swing. We can conclude this is your 1 and 2 approximately, right? So we're now at the wave 5 from the March 2020 low. Okay, that is still ongoing here. Now what will be the alternate, right? What will be the alternate? Well, if you draw a trend line here from the March 2020, now you can see actually it has already broken below it here. Now that doesn't necessarily mean we cannot make a new high. Sometimes you can continue to make marginal high and continue to, you know, retest the trend line over and over many times before finally rolling over. So it doesn't mean first break necessarily mean okay, we're not going to be able to break above the previous peak again, right? So we still can technically break the new high again within this wave 5, and we can consolidate here for a long while and waiting for the last push like this, then rolling over, right? So but it does already, as you can see, it did break below this March 2020. So that's the first kind of warning sign that okay, this cycle is quite mature and could be complete anytime. So right, so in worst case scenario, then it's going to be that this is just some sort of retest. Now even though it's a retest, you can see it still can make a new high even in the retest, right? So if you see here, we need to go down and then go up again. That will buy some time, and this trend line is going to keep going up, and it's pretty steep. The angle is pretty steep, so going up here could technically still break to new high here, right? But anyhow, the sort of the alternate will be that okay, the cycle ended, which again there is no sign of it yet, and then if it is, then basically we could see a bigger correction, right? So this could be, this leg higher here could be just an ABC, the rally here. So if you take a look at the 1 hour chart, you can force this to be A here, B here. So let's say I can place it here, and then I can put A, B here, and then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it could be A, B, C, and then you know, starting to roll over, right? But again, there's no indication that is going to happen, right? And also you need to take into account that, that if you look at it from the 4 hour here, you need to take into account that this decline here over here is in 3 swing. Right, is in a 3 swing. Therefore, no need to be bearish when the leg is only 3 swing here, right? If this is a bearish move, it would have been 1, 2, 3, 1.61845, but it is not. It is only 3 swings, equal leg. Try to measure the extension here. You can see that this is not extended. The third swing only end exactly at the 100% here. So that suggests the bull still remain in control overall, right? But again, as an alternate, this could have been an ABC and then sell off again. Now that's always possible. Alternate is always available, but we just go with the higher probability at this point with the trend, which is bullish, and we are looking for further upside as far as the pullback stays above 32,891 over here. Okay, so that's the update for the Dow futures today. As always, if you want to check our service, we have 14 days free trial, and the link is provided in the description of the YouTube video. So see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.